This is how you can speed up a video in iMovie. So we're gonna open our app and then we're gonna select our file, tap on edit, and this is gonna be our timeline. So if you want to speed it up, you only have to tap on the timeline right here, and then you're gonna go to the little icon right here on the bottom, tap on it, and you're gonna see this bar. So you're gonna tap on the toggle and speed up your video up to 2 times. That's the way that you can speed it up. But let's say that you don't want to speed up the whole video. So we're gonna put the video back to normal, and we're gonna tap on the scissors right here to put back to normal our timeline. And let's say that you only want to speed up a little segment, so we're gonna split, and this is the area that we're gonna speed up. So tap on split again, and then you only have to select right here this little segment, and let's do the same process. Tap on the little icon right here and then speed up your video up to 2 times. It's a little limited, you cannot speed it up more than that, but it's a good beginning, and you can actually tell the difference between normal and a little faster. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.